what I found today. Ang aking Pandora, wala na, naging ganyan na, nag-tarnish na siya. So, what we're gonna do, we're going to clean this. So, let's see if it's going to be effective. And yeah, let's keep on going. I boiled a hot water, and then later on, we'll be adding this soap. I used the Dawn. This is actually the container of the Bath and Body hand soap. So there you go. Let's just allow this to boil, and then once it's boiling, I'll add the soap, and then I'll add this one. Look how tarnished it is. Yeah, it's so dirty because I forgot to put it in a Ziploc. So you're supposed to keep it on a Ziploc or at least on a jewelry box. It's a little bit boiling, so I'll add on this soap. Just a generous amount of soap to clean it out. Oh no. Alright. I have to add more. Okay. I think that should be enough, and then I'll get a spoon or probably this a wooden spoon. Sorry. Okay, so this is the little wooden spoon. I'll just mix it up all together. Right now it's so boiling now. So let's cook this out. Good luck. Let's find out how it will transform. Let's cook it. I hope it's gonna be effective. Yeah. So guys, so this is the effect after boiling it with water and soap. Now we're going to brush this with a toothpaste. So I'm gonna do this, put on the toothpaste on my finger, and then let's grab this one. This is already a used one for the kitchen. So now let's start this one. Let's just brush it thoroughly until you are satisfied with the shininess or to the original look of this one. Look at this one. I hope we can put it back again to the original form or to the original color, because it's really bad. Yeah, it looks like it's turning into gold now. You can add some more toothpaste if you want. I wish I could remove this, the charms. I really don't know how to remove it. That's why you just let it stay there. Alright, let's wash it off. Oh, yeah, it looks better now. Right? It looks better than the other one. Look at this. Okay, I need to brush some more of this part. Look at this one. Yeah. Let's see. Make sure to clean every corner. Alright, I think that should be good now. And then just wash it carefully, thoroughly. Make sure there are no remnants of toothpaste. I could still see some more. Yay! So it's back to its original form now. Right, so I have a clean cloth here. All I need to do is to dry it off. Make sure that every corner is really dry before I keep it back to the Ziploc. Alright, there you go. It's much better now. See this? So this is the before and after. So now let's make sure to keep this in a Ziploc. And also make sure that when you lock this out, there is no air. So flatten it out and then seal it. There you go. So I'll put this on my drawer box or on my drawer.